Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, this week I was coaching a client and I put in quite a few suggestions as to different ways for her to look at her situation because she was really stuck with certain things in her workload. And I kept hearing this three-letter word, but. So there's a real problem when we say but. You see, our language is just the superficial structure of what's going on beneath the surface. So what I asked her to do, I said, just change the sentence. You're not sure you want to do this because. And that allowed me to hear what was going on behind the scenes, because most of what she was thinking and feeling about this situation, the but reflected an objection. The old story that she'd been telling herself that she didn't know enough, she wasn't computer literate, all these stories that we tell ourselves that stop us moving forward and stop us finding a solution. And as I've often said, and you probably know this, we are creatures of habit. So we tend to run the same patterns over and over again. That means our habits of thinking and even our speech become so habitual that we're not really aware of what we're saying. And it's been said that out of the 50 to 60,000 thoughts we have every day, which is a lot, most of them are the same old things from yesterday. So when we come up with but, it's often hiding reasons and excuses that stop us moving forward or seeing a solution. So what I suggested to my client, once we'd unpacked what all the objections were behind the scenes and realized they were old beliefs and old stories, I said to her, try changing your language. Either say, hey, I will give it a go, or what would happen if I did do this? That's a possibility question that takes your mind into the future rather than being stuck with your reasons and excuses behind the but. And if you, excuse the pun about the but too, if you've ever been in a conversation with somebody else, perhaps you have a great idea and they're not really bought into it. Quite often that's indicated by, they might say, but I don't agree, or but I see it this way. It really can negate everything that the other person has said. So when you're in a conversation with yourself or with other people, be aware of how often you use the word but, and stop for a moment and ask yourself, what are the objections that's making up the story that I'm telling myself to even say that word but? Because it's usually an objection. We don't want to change. We're just repeating our old habitual patterns. And ask yourself a better question, because there is an expression that the quality of our life and our results is determined by the quality of questions that we ask ourselves. And as we only see about 5% of what's out there, by using our language and asking ourselves better questions, we'll be able to see the things that once we formerly couldn't see. And that's where the solutions and the opportunities lie. So kick that three-letter word, but, out of your life. Ask yourself better questions, and I guarantee you will see possibilities and opportunities open up, and you'll stop sticking in that comfort zone, and amazing things can and will happen. So that's my tip for Friday. Have a great weekend. If you live in Queensland, it's the long weekend, and I'm heading off to the Caloundra Music Festival. So have a great weekend. Bye.